We are at it again right here in Rockwood at Guthrie Lane, where we have a beautiful stacked end unit townhouse just for you. And there's not another one like it. If you're looking for turnkey, low maintenance at an affordable price, this is the spot for you. You're gonna love the finishes, love the space, but more importantly, you're gonna love this fantastic location. We're on Rockwood Ridge. We're sandwiched between two beautiful parks, Max Story Park to the lower and John Jolliffe Park on the upper ridge, which gives you access to trails all around this community. It's perfect for exercise, perfect to walk your dogs. The only thing better than this kind of lifestyle is this community, but you gotta go inside and take a look to find out. As soon as you jump inside, the first thing you're gonna notice, it's bright, spacious, and airy with a neutral decor. It's turnkey and move-in ready. The next thing you'll notice is we have an oversized 4.5-foot hallway that's ceramic tile, which means you can kick off your shoes and not have to worry about making a mess. And then you'll notice this layout. I absolutely love it. The bedroom's main washroom and laundry are on the main floor here as soon as you walk in. Why? So you can take advantage of all this natural light. It's hard to ignore as soon as you peek in these bedrooms. We have double oversized windows that take advantage of that morning sun. Plus, you have a great view of Jolliffe Avenue and that treed ridgeline, which is why we're really here. The primary is oversized with a full walk-in closet, which means you have plenty of storage for all your clothes. And let's complete the main floor with the washroom. 3-piece washroom, once again with beautiful soft tones, and of course an added laundry room that's attached right to it. When the doors open, you have these windows again, stretching from the front all the way out the back. Man, I love this end unit. And now we're downstairs. This is the heartbeat of the home, and this is the part I find the most impressive. Beautiful plank, luxury vinyl flooring, 2-piece washroom, and we have this very functional dining room, living room, kitchen combination. Shaker cabinet doors, stainless steel appliances, and I love this cutout here, which means it's great to entertain. This gas fireplace makes this room extremely cozy, and that complemented with all these side windows and windows out the back makes it nice and bright and airy. You're really gonna love this space, but there's more. We have this full-size dining room so you can have all your friends over, and of course this galley kitchen with direct access out to this yard. And when you're out here, you'll see why this unit is so special. Direct access outside is everything. I don't think I'd buy a unit in this complex if we didn't have it. We've got privacy fence from your neighbors, mature trees. When that's in bloom, you're not gonna see anything behind you. Cedar hedges from the road, but I love the ability to add extra storage. Right here for garbage, right here for outdoor toys, and of course you follow this interlocking patio right to this beautiful courtyard. It's massive. We've got cedar hedge for privacy, retaining wall with beautiful gardens, this reclaimed brick for extra character, and of course, enough room for a full dining table and outdoor seating. You are going to enjoy this all summer long. Guys, if you have any questions, I want you to give me a call, give me a text today. I can't wait to show it to you.